Assalamualaikum. My name is Halim Mianishan. I am industrial engineering professional with over 8 years experience in RMG sector. Graduate BSc in textile engineering. I am also GSD certified by Course Digital. I am looking for a manager position in the IT department. In this video, I want to show you who I am, what I achieve and where I am going. I believe my experience can create real measurable value for your factory from month 1. Past 8 years, I lead IE and lean activities. At Fokir Apparel Limited, I currently observe IE operation for 23 production lines and improving efficiency and reducing MMR. At B2B Group, I lead 5S, Kaizen, SMED and Kanban project and introduce a self-trimming line that remove helper without production loss. I have worked with H&M, Zara, CNN and Primark, and I received the industrial award. My goal is to build and lead a high-performing IE department through GSD, lean and digital system and developing the next generation of IE engineer. I believe a strong IE department is the backbone of a successful garment factory. As a IE manager, I am ready to apply for this result. Thank you for watching. I am looking forward to discuss how I contribute to your organization's success.